Hey friends, it's Fran here, thinking a lot about burnout some more. It tends to be where most of the people that I interact with on a regular basis are struggling. That cycle of giving and receiving that is broken because it's all about the giving, giving, giving without anything coming back in. A lot of it tends to be, I am noticing that people that I work with are afraid to seem needy. They don't know how to ask for what it is they need, if they even know what that is. They have an idea that they're exhausted, that they feel resentful, that they're undervalued, that they're not being seen and heard in the ways they need to be, but they actually haven't settled down to ask, what is it I really want specifically from this situation? And is it okay to have demands, to feel needs, to be wanting to feel like I belong here, that there's a fair compensation for the services I'm providing, that I should be appreciated, that I should feel safe, that I should be valued on all the different levels. It's not needy in an incorrect way. It's not wrong to have those needs, is what I'm trying to say. In fact, we are human. We are born with needs. We would not survive if our needs were not met from the earliest moments of our lives. We're designed to have our needs met, and that others will fulfill our needs because they're designed, their gifts and talents are designed to support us and fulfill those things that we need. So when we're not actually allowing that back in, there are a lot of reasons it's happening. Sometimes it's a guard over our hearts, an unwillingness to ask, an unwillingness to take a risk, an unwillingness to seem needy. To say, I can do this alone, I'm fine, I can suck it up. Well, guess what? You weren't born to suck it up all the time. You were born to receive in your mother's arms from your earliest days, and you're born to give, absolutely, in all the ways that you're designed to do so. In between that are your needs. What are they? What are they in your workplace? What are they in your relationships? And how are you asking for those? It's in that how that I can help you. Identifying them for sure, but also speaking to them from a place that is lined up with who you really are. So knowing who you are, knowing that those needs are reasonable, articulating them from your belly with a spaciousness around you that knows if I don't get the need met here, I'll get it met here or somewhere else. So there isn't this defensiveness and this push that goes beyond another being able to really hear what we're trying to say. So just wanted to offer that. I have a workshop coming up, The Art of Showing Up, being seen and heard as a woman in business. It's not strictly for women in business. These things show up in all our life patterns. Business is just another place it shows up. So if the idea of being seen and heard attracts you, come and join me, because these practices are going to take you to a deeper place where how you speak, how you show up will really create an opening for your needs to get met. I hope you'll join me. The details are in the link below or in the profile, so just come on and play. We always have fun. It's Sunday afternoon, and it includes some time with me to follow up, so we can dive a little deeper into your situation. I look forward to talking to you some more. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.